Hi, I'm Karina Schmidt from North Ward Realty and welcome to 36 Putt Street, Railway Estate. With over 400 square metres under roof and this massive back deck, this is the ultimate family home. With a stunning, fully renovated kitchen. This fantastic home has 3 bedrooms and 4 toilets, with a huge 70 square metre entertainment room with its own kitchen and powder room. And check out this great resort-style sparkling pool. And speaking of families, let's not forget the fully self-contained granny flat. This unique home will sell very quickly. I'm Karina Schmidt from North Ward Realty. Give me a call today.